Here I've got HUAWEI Y6P, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select security, and here click on more settings. Then click on install apps from external sources, and now you can smoothly enable this feature for some particular application. So for example, if you would like to give this permission to browser, just click on it and then activate it. Then you can do the same thing from your gallery, then Member Center or whichever application you would like to give this permission to. So that's basically all. This is how you can activate the installation of apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.